Hello, my name is Don Chater. I wanted to give you some more tips on your website. So one thing too that's not secured, there's something called an SSL certificate that in some cases, whoever your host is, it should be a simple flip of a switch and then they turn it on for you. And then other places it's like $10 a year. This is Chrome. Here's Microsoft Edge. Same thing. Be careful here. So some browsers, it'll just, as soon as someone finds it, say in a Google search, and clicks on your website, it'll instantly pop up that this website's not secure and might instantly turn customers away from doing business with you, hiring you. So that's just one easy, simple trick. Google does degrade ranking a website because of that. Google announced that like a year ago, so that's just one free tip. Hope that helps. Let me know if I got any questions. My name is Don Chater. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.